Čau, vítam z nového videa a dneska si zahráme Conundrum in the Danger Zone, čiže ideme na to. Dáme si story mode a dáme si, aha, tak dáme si restart.
Marilu Mahoney!
How is this human different from the last one?
This human is still alive!
Tak, v tejto hre vlastne ste robot a musíte bojovať proti ostatným. Ale ťažké je na tomto, že vlastne
As expected, the human defeated the single sword robot.
Tak vlastne
In the next round, the human faces more than one sword robot.
Yes,
Who do you think will win? Analysis bot.
clearly it is better to have more robots. The robots will win.
Teda tam ohnivý, potom blokujúci a potom luk a potom nám klonov, že... Tak poďme. To je vlastne zábavná hra.
The human won.
Very promising.
Perhaps this one will take longer to die. Coming up, archers stand in a circle and shoot arrows at the human.
Time for this human to die.
Indeed.
A môžeme ísť. Že sme si vlastne dali update, že budeme blokovať tie šipy, čo je veľmi dobré, keďže sú tu tí archery. No tak strel to bude. A ty ani moc sa nevedel triafať, čiže už také trošku to není. To bol krásny. Tu už je to teraz zábavné.
It seems archers don't hold any mystery to this human.
This is a pretty basic model.
Good point. Coming up next, both archers and sword robots.
Many humans find this stressful.
Many humans find death.
Čiže my si ešte... A dáme si luk. Ten sa vždycky hodí. To vlastne aktivujem dvojkou a piu. Tak, kde ste? Kde ste kto? Čiže najprv, aby ste asi by som najprv dal dole tým archerov, čo sa pôjde. To sa mnou. To si vidíte, aký kill. Daj, počkaj. To sa bolo tesné. Čiže... Počkaj, tam je ešte jeden. Čože? Počkaj. To je vylepšilo. Dobrá, tak Dobre, tak toto sme si asi mali spraviť klon. To je fakt už ťažké. My to dáme, my sme dobrí v tejto hre, čiže to dáme. A toto sa presne stane.
Robbie, cancel.
Aspoň má modrý ako...
The fun never ends.
For us robots.
Yes, the fun ends quickly for the humans.
No tak poď. Pup. Čo je? Toto je najlepšie.
You think you are top human? Many humans have beaten this level.
They died shortly after. What can we expect from the next challenge?
The human managed to defeat a single swordsman. We will see if it can handle multiple opponents.
Dáme si
This
slot.
should be interesting.
Ohnivý, nejak môžeme trošku ich pokúsiť. Tak aj na to. No. Iné čiary sú skôr vláky. Počkaj, na to ešte je. Ne?
Victory! Robot defeated all the robots.
Well done, human.
Čiže
What
teraz
can you tell us
príde
about the next challenge, Commentatron?
I was going to ask you that.
Do not evade the question.
Robots or foes? Aren't robots?
Very good. Let us watch the human interact with arrows.
Šipy a úplný good, čiže... No, prvý dom. Druhý dom. Tretí dom. S stropom. Do nožičky.
Victory! I really enjoy seeing arrows split things apart.
A shame this did not happen to the human.
We have seen arrows. We have seen swords.
It is time to see both at once.
No konc. A tu je ešte zle, že si môžete dať
Great. More garbage for the garbage box.
že si môžete dať len vlastne jedného 5 a potom vlastne už nemôžete na spáciu. Čiže to je potom také trošku ťažšie. To je, jak hovorí, toto dážne, troška není. Čiže by to malo byť asi. Teraz príde kill. Poďte sa, teraz. Got it, prank it, my friend. Got it, prank it. No a ideme na to. Tak poďme. Vlastne ovláda sa to len vlastne shift je to space
This shooting is
toucher
pretty good.
I wonder if the next one will get as far.
Vlastne toto
For our next challenge, we have a special guest.
Who is it?
You're about to find out.
Guest writer, boat. Ideme na to.
Look to the sky. The Emperor arrives.
Ja teraz som paučí, no to
Fellow robots, we have captured the few humans bold enough to venture into our space. But it is not enough. Billions of their minds remain, waiting to be harvested. Soon our fleet will arrive at the closest human outpost. While we wait, let us watch our latest combat robot in action. I give you Spidertron 5000.
on je dobrý jak to. Tak. Počkaj, postav sa. Tak poď. No, poď ku mne. Neboj sa, ty ma. Ja ti len deratizerať niekde prikladom. Dobrze. Zaraz postawię. Takže to nepostavím. Už. Nie. Tak.
Victory.
Easy.
Spidertron 5000 was defeated.
Yes, a shame.
teraz upgradenúť tú energiu, lebo to je fakt tak, že...
Time for some sword fighting.
Unless the human chooses the bow.
It will find itself with more targets than arrows.
Ja, to sú títo, máme síce viac energie, ale to sú tí, ktorí vlastne majú šíp, ale oni vedia strel. Oni vlastne mečujú, počkaj, čo? To sú len vysokí, to sú len inteligentní. Čo je to trošku zvláštne? No, až to je niekde? Ja už ešte mám môžu sa trošku postrihať.
Victory!
Energie.
That was a slaughter.
This human is not terrible at fighting robots.
Analysis bot. What is the theme of the next battle?
Death to the human.
Isn't that all the battles?
This time we mean it.
Tak my si spravíme ešte jedného kola.
Clone created. Analysis bot. Do you have any clones?
Yes, but I am the best version.
Me too.
No, a paučík. Deratizer incoming module. Počkaj, to je... Preto to hovoríte ako klónové, ale... Nabijeme. Tak, a ideme na to. Tak, jeden, dva. No. To červená.
Victory! Analysis bot. Didn't you say that Spidertron 5000 could not be defeated?
The human has found a way. We must start research on Spidertron 6000.
Is there garbage? I cleaned it up. It must be clean.
Get out.
And now, time for the Mark III combat archer.
The human stands no chance. These archers also carry a sword.
Jeden klón alebo...
This will be over quickly. Now the human has a friend.
It is only friends with copies of itself.
It is the human way.
Títo sú fakt zlí, lebo oni vlastne vedia zblízka aj mečovať. Tak to som myslel zlo. Poď. No tak to easy.
The human defeated the archers.
An impressive achievement.
This is a talented human.
This human is pretty good at fighting.
Yes, much better than the
Čo
others.
si ja
It will be interesting to see it fight all the sword robots.
Very interesting.
si ešte upgradenúť ten meč. No ne, a myslím, že toto by bolo u tohto videa všetko. Čau.